What's up, guys? So I'm making the video. I'm sure a lot of you have already been waiting for it. You see that? That is AmeriGas. Am I with them? No, I am not with AmeriGas no longer. And yes, I'm in the new 2023 Scat Pack Shakedown 6-speed. And I thought it'd be funny to make this video right here before I leave and never come back, okay? So listen, guys, listen. When you get into these companies for trucking, you have to understand when you go to a big company, they're gonna have a lot of regulations, a lot of rules. They're gonna have a lot of shit that you might not necessarily like, okay? And what you have to understand is you have to either accept the rules or accept the policies if you want to last long. For me, I already knew my time was ticking with AmeriGas because they have like the camera sensor in there, guys. So like I couldn't like drink any water. I couldn't have a headset on. I couldn't listen to music at certain points. I couldn't answer phone calls. Just a lot of regulations that were really stupid. They got mad at me because like I wasn't wearing my face shield, right? And putting wheel chalks down. It's like, well, I got 20 stops. I'm putting wheel chalks down. And the wheel chalks I can get okay with, but the face mask, the face shield, it's like, listen, the thing gets foggy, it gets scratched up, it gets dirty, you're dripping sweat, it's falling off your head. I'm not a fucking welder, I'm a propane guy, right? So they didn't like that. And I'm rebellious. Every time that they would talk shit to me, I would talk shit back. That's how I am, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm no longer with AmeriGas. This isn't a sad video. I don't care. I got money saved up. My car, I have enough to pay my note for the next 4 months. Yeah, and I made good money with them. My last pay stub was $4,500 I grossed in a 2-week span. So I was making almost 10 grand a month on the books, grossing. So when people say you can't get out of school and make 6 figures, they're lying to you. You absolutely can. Why? Because I did it, okay? I already called a couple other local propane companies. I got a guy who's going to take me, so I will have another propane job in the next week or 2. And my life's been so crazy. I've been running through all these girls. I've been making content, if you get my drift. And I got other things coming, right? So for me, it's kind of like, I don't know how much longer I will be doing trucking. I just got this Scat Pack. I'm going to make a legit video for it, hitting pools, having fun. And I mean, when you're working 12-hour days, 6 days a week, you start to let go on everything else. You start like having a hard time going to the gym, eating healthy. Your relationships decline. You just run into a lot of issues. And the way I look at it in life is like, you have to go where the money's at. You have to kill your ego because you won't make any money in this industry. And you also have to do what you love, okay? And not all the time you'll do things you love. Sometimes it'll be hit or miss. You might do something and be like, I don't really truthfully love it like that. But at the same time, you do have to enjoy yourself, right? And I do believe that AmeriGas was crushing. It was like they were building me up financially and professionally in that aspect. But then when it came to like my life and what I want to do with my life, it was like they were just getting so annoying. I was getting all of these safety calls. They were complaining, never wrote me up, but fired me for making YouTube videos for you guys, okay? So for me, I love y'all. I'm here to serve you. So nobody's gonna fire me. Nobody's gonna tell me you can't make YouTube videos because it goes against our policy. I'm gonna make fucking YouTube videos regardless. I'm not a slave to you. I'm Unplugged Preston. All I do is expose the truth and nothing but the truth, right? So I will never be fake and dishonest to anyone. So I lost my job to make YouTube videos for you guys, and it's okay. It's all right. Listen, I'm about to be 33 next month. I'm in the new 2023. I got multiple women. I'm living good, all right? All my girls got money. I got money. I'm good. So this is not me crying or complaining. And I'm not knocking AmeriGas. AmeriGas is a really good company, okay? If you're somebody who would just go to work, do what you're told, and live inside the matrix, you'll be fine. But if you're somebody like me who's an entrepreneur, who wants to help be a business owner, who wants to excel in life, who wants to do other things besides just a daily 9 to 5, then it's going to be hard for you. So what I'm trying to tell you is, what you need to do is you need to focus on getting a job like this and stacking your money for the next thing. It's like, I got fired right when I got the car, right when all these opportunities are happening. So for me, it's like, that's God's way of being like, hey, okay, you want to do it? Now what are you going to do? You ain't got a job. Work harder, go harder, right? Work harder, go harder, guys. That's the name of the game, right? So I'm going to bang some, look at this shit. I'm going to bang some motherfucking Dolph, you know? And guess what? We got the greatest president in history. So our economy is going to boom. Truck is going to boom. I'll be in another truck, driving, enjoying my life. And now I got the motherfucking scat pack, you know? So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know I got fired for making YouTube videos. They didn't like it. You know, they try to say stupid shit like, oh, yeah, you did this and did that and blah, blah, blah. All bullshit, you know. Way I look at it, you can't tell me I need to do a leak check on every propane tank. This is what they like to do. What they like to do is they like to let you run out of propane, and then I come fill your propane and I got to lock you off and write a ticket of temporary service, disconnect or out of service bullshit. And then all it is me coming back in an hour to charge you $150 for me to hook up, to reconnect your regulator to your service valve and say, oh yeah, hook a little pressure gauge and then make sure all of your stuff is not leaking and you're holding pressure, and I'm relighting all your pilots and this and that. Well, let me tell you, when you have people who are sitting around with no propane because you're taking 4 weeks longer than you said, and they already paid $1,000 for propane, and then they run out of propane and now you're charging them, and all of their customer service is overseas. AmeriGas, but your customer service is overseas. So these people are crazy. They want to curse you out. So I'm going to a local company, all right? Going to a local company where I can just make YouTube videos for you guys about cars, about trucks, about anything, and I don't have to deal with the bullshit, because these big corporation companies, I'm telling you, get your foot in the door as a trucker, bust your ass, do your thing, and then eventually go to a smaller company. My boss was cool. I wasn't mean. Shook his hand. We talked. I told him they weren't mad. It's all love. He's like, you ever call me if you need advice or blah blah blah, you know, which I won't, but you know. But he was a cool guy, so shout out to Patrick if you're watching this. You're a cool guy, I always liked you. Yeah, so the way I look at it is like, you know, you just got to get after it, right? Like, this ain't gonna stop me. It never does. I always rise to the grind, guys. I got some content coming out, some spicy content with a lot of senoritas. So your boy's on some Adam 22 shit right now. I mean, look at me, guys. I'm kind of on some Adam 22 shit, if you can't fucking tell. If you didn't know, well, now you know, all right? I might be this blue-collar guy, but deep down, I got bigger dreams, all right? And, yeah, so if you guys are interested in that and want to see that, shit'll be coming. You know, I'll have that link tree. But, yeah, I got this car. We'll make a cool video about this car. I got some cool things coming. I got some money stacked. I just got paid today. I'm chilling. All my bills are paid, so think maybe I'll take a month off and just focus on YouTube and the gym and having fun with you guys, and we got our giveaway coming. I'm not going to stop the giveaway. The giveaway's coming. You know, we got that 10K giveaway, so I love y'all. Wait until the next video. We got the official Scat Pack video coming out, and I got a hottie who's going to be in it, so you guys got to watch and see. But I love y'all, man. Make sure you comment. Make sure you blow this video up, and yeah, thank you guys for supporting me, and continue to support me, because people like you are the reason why I do this. I'm not here to make money off you. I'm here to serve you. Even if it fucked my money up, oh well, money's money. I can't take it with me when I die, right? But I will take those memories and those connections that I made with you guys. So for me, that's more important. So I love y'all. Peace.